Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Well, there's a new trend that DoorDash customers are scamming their drivers to get free food. So it's basically a trend going on TikTok and Instagram. So we're going to get into the latest. But before I do, I wanted to thank our sponsor, Solo. So if you are a DoorDash driver or a gig worker, there is a brand new app that is paying gig workers guaranteed pay. So when you do go out and drive, you can make guaranteed earnings, and it works for all of the major gig apps here. They also help you with taxes. They help you with tracking your expenses, tracking your miles, and again, even getting guaranteed payout. And for a limited time, when you sign up with their link, you get $10 simply for being one of our viewers. And yeah, you can sign up for these little shifts. $38 for DoorDash, $37 for Uber. Link below for Solo. Get your guaranteed pay and get $10 for free anywhere in the country. So look at this. There's this woman or man who is repeatedly lying about their order. And now, look at this. This is on TikTok, by the way. I've lied so many times on that app for free credits that now they're like, you gotta sign. So instead of banning this person, they make him sign instead, and they make it even more difficult for the driver to have to knock on the door and wait for a signature. When in reality, DoorDash deactivates drivers left and right. Why doesn't DoorDash deactivate their customers? Time to switch to Uber Eats. After repeatedly lying to get free credits, DoorDash customer says she now has to sign for her orders. And now she's moving on to order. Is this a man or a woman? I'm sorry. Okay. They are now moving to Uber Eats. A DoorDash customer went viral on TikTok. Let's go to their page, shall we? Let's expose this person. We are now exposing the tea here. Oh, they're private. Who would have thought? Who would have thought they went private? After a whole article goes out about them. The video feed they could have got some clout while they're at it too. Leslie Pinkman. She recounts her humiliating encounter with DoorDash. Lauren explains that she has lied so many times that she can get free credits because she loves a free meal. Lauren notes that she doesn't lie about the Dasher to avoid them getting in trouble. She says she's lied enough times that she now has to sign for her order anytime it's delivered, like it's a UPS package. However, she says a few days earlier, a DoorDash driver confusedly asked her to sign when delivering her order. I'll never come back from that. That's effing embarrassing. The video racked up over 28,000 views, with viewers suggesting what she'd do next. By the way, Leslie, yeah, if a driver does get enough orders, flagged orders, they will get in trouble. They will get deactivated. So it's not really like DoorDash, if you've ever been deactivated by any of the gig apps, you know that like a lot of times it's just like a fugazi, like you just get deactivated with no warning. And false reports do not help. The video racked up 28,000 views, with viewers suggesting that what she should do next. Time to make a new account. Time to switch to Uber Eats. So the users are even encouraging her to continue. Just pretend you set it to be that way because your neighbors steal food. LMAO, I delivered for DoorDash and people told me that's why. I'm dead. People say I'm dead as it's like, oh my God, that's crazy. I'm dead, ha. I'm effing rolling once I realized how easy it was. I did so many times I forced myself to stop, one person shared. I got banned from Uber Eats because I would lie for refunds. This is why, my friends, a lot of you guys are getting deactivated. Because of people like this. The woke. I blame the woke, I'm sorry. Try not to get political here, but it's the people who believe that they deserve a free food. Because they're like, I can't afford it, so I might as well lie. It's basically like going to a McDonald's and just, going to the to-go orders and just grabbing one and leaving. It's basically the same thing. In a comment, Lauren followed up by saying, y'all, I don't even use DoorDash that much. I was just in a moment of weakness. Calm down. Wow, this is shocking to me, guys. What do you guys think should happen with this? Do you think this person should be banned? I think they should be banned from all of the gig platforms. I don't know. That's just my opinion, because it's frustrating, you know? When drivers are out there working hard, working long hours to deliver food, which, by the way, you know, isn't necessarily, I mean, you don't need a lot of skill to do the job, but like, it's to do long hours delivering people's food. Yeah, it's not the most fun job in the world. And you know, you're putting a lot of wear and tear in your car. Anyways, I'm rambling. Check out Solo, link below. You can get your $10 for signing up simply for free. A lot of drivers are taking home over $5,000 more a year with Solo. And you can sign up for these little guaranteed shifts. You can also sign up and get help with your taxes, help managing your expenses and income. And yeah, they will send you $10 just for being our viewer and signing up and linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, y'all. Talk to you soon.